Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. This time around it's going to be another makeup tutorial. I wear this look quite a lot and have actually been asked as well. I just thought I'd make it part of my coronavirus series. In case you're bored, you can play at home with a little bit of makeup. This is actually the first time I'm wearing makeup in 3 weeks, and I wanted to film a few intros, and I thought it would be a good excuse, and I just thought I would film how I put it on at the same time. Because I'm in Germany and only came with hand luggage, I could only bring limited makeup, and so the products you see me use are ones that I really love and use a lot. So if you usually wonder what I might be wearing, there is 99.9% chance that this is probably it, even if it is in a different combination. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy and keep watching if you want to see this look. So let's jump straight in. I'm going to be using, first starting with priming, and I'm going to be using this primer. Like I said, because I came to Germany without realizing I was going to stay this long. I was only supposed to stay a week. I only brought hand luggage, so the amount of liquids that I could take was kind of limited. So also the makeup that I have here is very limited, but we'll see what we can do with what we've got. And then I didn't actually bring any foundation because, like I said, I only had limited liquids. So I actually brought the CC cream from It Cosmetics. I really like this for like light coverage, and it smells like lavender, which just makes me think it's like soothing on the skin. Yeah, it's because I didn't really think I would be wearing makeup here, because I didn't really think I would be staying. And then at Christmas I bought the full Benefit Brow Cosmetics collection thing. This is only some of them. These are some of the ones that I've been using quite regularly. I often just wear this one, actually the labels come off, which is just the colored brow gel on its own quite often. Just to give my brows a bit of color. I don't necessarily do like this full thing every time. Okay, so next I go in with concealer. I'm going to use the NARS one. I'm going to use the LA Girl concealer just to contour a little bit. I really like that one because it sinks into the skin super easy. And then I go back over this with the side that we already used for the concealer, just to clean it up. And then I move on to powder. So I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me one in Fair. And I just use it like underneath my eyes and in my T-zone area. I don't powder my whole face, just because I quite like my face to look dewy and I don't want it to look matte and dry. So then I'll move on to bronzer or contour again. And in the light of one of the other videos I'm filming, I thought I would just use as many of the Kylie products that I brought with me. So one of them is one of her contour or bronzing shades. This is the lightest one, which is khaki. It's a little bit used, but I really like this shade because it's kind of cool toned. So being pale, that's always much more flattering than warm toned. So then another Kylie product for my blush, which is this one, which is one of her staple ones, which is the one We're Going Shopping. And it looks like this on the inside, a little bit less used, so you can still see the imprint. But yeah, her blushes are also pretty nice. I like quite a few of them. So yeah, once this is done, to sink everything kind of into the skin, I like to apply some setting spray. I only really have one with me here, which is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, because it's my mini one. And I've kind of got to hope that I don't need to wear a lot of makeup because there's not a lot left in it. That makeup spray is really dewy, so if you've got quite oily skin, I wouldn't recommend it. There's times when I wouldn't use it just because in the summer, for example, if I know that I'm going to be sweating a lot. And then you can just help it a little, help this mist set in a little bit. And if there's any kind of edges you still wanted to clear up, I would use this opportunity to do that. Okay, then we can move on to eyes. So for eyes, I wanted to keep it quite simple just because I have nowhere to go. But do something a little bit glam. So I'm going to try and bring these closer. Like I said, yeah, I'm just going to keep it really simple. So I'm just going to apply some of the same concealer to prime my eyes. And then I bounce that in with a beauty blender. And then yeah, just to keep it like really simple, I'm going to dry this down because I'm not going to do anything crazy with colors that I need to stick or anything like that. So using the same loose powder. And then I'll move into a tiny bit of color for the crease just to open them up. I have these really cool, I have the Harry Potter brushes. I love them. They were given to me by a friend for Christmas. They're so amazing. But yeah, I'm going to use this mini Kylie like duo that I got with this package. It contains the colors Topaz and Quartaz. It's actually a really handy little eyeshadow. And I really like the brown in it because it's quite cool toned. So it's really good just for like an everyday look to deepen your crease. Yeah, then I'm just going to run a tiny bit of that underneath my eye as well, just so we're already good to go. I'm doing everything with the same brush just to keep it quick and easy. And then I wanted to add a little bit of drama because I'm a little bit bored at home, so I'm going to add some liner. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty one. My liner's a little bit dry. I have been using it for quite a while. It's not the cleanest line, but hopefully with lashes we can hide it. And now we'll do lashes. I'm going to use the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. So you could wear the look without lashes, but I like to apply lashes when I'm wearing eyeliner, just because I think it closes my eyes. So I'm going to use the TL4 lashes from Tati Lashes. I need some new ones, these are quite used. And then for a few years now I've been using the Duo glue, the green one. And never had any problems. I've been in quite a few windy situations and my lashes have never come off. Even on the Harry Potter the Hagrid ride in Orlando Universal Studios, I thought they would come off because my eyes were also streaming and the wind was quite extreme, but they were still on and intact twice after that ride. There we have it. I'm just going to go off camera and finish off the second lash, and then I'll come back for the little things at the end. Okay, so I have both my lashes on now. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to my bottom lashes. And then finally we have highlighter and lips. So for highlighter I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be using the side Fire Crystal, which is the more glittery one. And then I actually had a little bit of an overspill of mascara right here. A really easy trick to get rid of that is to wait until it's dried and then just go in with like a little spoolie and brush it off, and it comes off really, really easily. So finally I have lips, and again, to stay in the Kylie spirit, I'm going to be using this combo, which is Iced Latte and Bay. That is a velvet matte. I really love the velvets. I like the matte lipsticks too, personally. Just my lips are pretty dry right now, so I don't think it would be a good idea to put one on. So yeah, this lip combo is following that trend of a darker outline and a lighter inside, and I quite like how that looks. So yeah, so that is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you next time.